Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about my 5 Holy Grail products. Now, these are the products that I constantly reach upon, and the best part is all of the products are super affordable. If you are curious about the products, then stay tuned. Before that, if you're new here, hi, I'm Maitrayee Halder. I do make a lot of beauty related contents like this. So if you like what you see, then do subscribe. Coming straight with the first product, which is a Pharma Find. This is the best lip balm I have used so far. It's the NMFE lip balm, which comes with the SPF rating of 40+. Formulation of this is really superb. I've tried a lot of high-end as well as affordable lip balms, but nothing compares to this. Now, I liked it so much that I repurchased it a couple of times, and this is by far the best lip balm I have used so far. This lip balm not only hydrates your lips, but also keeps it moisturized for a good amount of period, something about like 4 to 5 or even sometimes 6 hours, which is impressive for the price that it comes, and because winters are already here, and if you are in a hunt of a good affordable lip balm, here you go. Next up, I have 2 products that completely changed my hair. Now, my hair was pretty frizz-free when I was in Kolkata, but because I shifted now to Hyderabad, my hair and my skin affected a lot because of this whole move, and my hair was really rough. And because I also colored my hair, it became really rough and dry, and these are the 2 products that completely changed my hair. Now, I've been trying these 2 products from WishCare for about like 2 to 3 months, and I am impressed by the formulation, the price that these products comes in, and the type of result that you get from these products. Now, I have the Triple Bond Repair Shampoo as well as the Triple Bond Repair Booster Serum. Now, this is a shampoo and this is kind of like a repairing mask, not like a leave-on serum that you are typically gonna use. I will mention how I use it, but let's just talk about the overall ingredients and formulation that these products have. First of all, let's talk about the pricing. For 499 rupees, you get 250 ml, and for 599 rupees, you get 100 ml of this repair serum. Now, this particular shampoo is by far the most hydrating shampoo I have ever used. I swear by a good conditioner and hair mask because my hair is pretty rough on the ends, because when you chemically treat or color your hair tends to become a little bit rough. Now, this one by far is the best shampoo that doesn't requires a use of conditioner. If you talk about the booster serum, now this is a type of a hair mask that you're supposed to apply after you use a shampoo and you wring out all of the water from your hair. I personally towel dry my hair and then I apply this. I take about like 5 to 6 pumps of it and then just apply it throughout the ends, and you are supposed to leave it for 10 minutes. And this particular serum is something that you only apply once or twice a week, not more than that. The combination of these two just work. They have pretty good ingredients, the aminopeptide complex and also hydrolyzed keratin and C-kale. All of the products just combined together gives you this amazing frizz-free hair. You do a lot of chemical treatments, these 2 products are going to help you a lot. The 3-aminopeptide biomimetic hair protein repairs all 3 types of hair bond, which is disulfate, ionic and hydrogen bonds. You will see a visible difference in just a week, and if you continue using it for at least a month, your hair will be completely changed. If you don't believe me, just try it once. Take a picture of your hair 1 month prior to usage and just document every week, and you will see what I'm talking about. I think the peptide complex that they use is patented. They come in a very attractive pricing. They also work, and this is by far the best bond repair range I have used. This is my second bottle of both the repair serum and the shampoo, and I also have one in stash, and I seldom do that because I try a lot of products, but these 2 products just works not only for my hair, which is pretty much drier on both scalp and ends. My boyfriend, who has oily scalp but drier ends, he also enjoys it thoroughly, and this is, I believe, the only shampoo he uses currently. And one thing I want to mention, this is, I think it's sulfate free, but this lathers up like any other sulfate shampoo, which is a really great thing because you only need a little amount and it would last you for a while. The next product that I'm going to mention is a body care product, and this is from Vaseline, and this is that Cocoa Glow Whipped Body Butter. Now, this is by far the best body butter kind of product that I've ever used because of the overall texture. Now, this is a whipped body butter, which means you require half of the time of blending the body butter onto your skin. Plus, this is super affordable. I believe they come in 2 different variants, but I love the Cocoa Glow one. Now, I personally have very dry body skin, and this is one of the products that doesn't requires me to top it off with another oil or another hydrating product, especially in the winter time. Plus, if you talk about the pricing, it comes something in between 350 to 450 rupees and you get a humongous tub of it. The ingredients are very straightforward. It has cocoa butter, shea butter, almond oil, vitamin E, and obviously the Vaseline jelly or petroleum jelly. It has very basic occlusives and emollients, which makes this product just like perfect for anyone who has dry skin, and I personally love this and I would especially recommend this for the winter season. Coming on to another product, which is again one of my recent finds, and I completely love it because of the fact that it comes in such an affordable pricing and it compares with the existing eye cream or a retinol based eye cream that I'm currently using, and this one just works. This is the Minimalist Vitamin K plus Retinol 1% eye cream from Minimalist. It also has 3% of caffeine, 3 peptides, and serum bone. Now, all of these combined together makes this eye cream a perfect beginner-friendly retinol-based eye cream. Now, it has retinol, which works faster than your traditional retinol. This is one of the eye creams that works on my crow's feet. If you talk about the texture of this particular eye cream, it's super lightweight, affordable, and one of the eye cream that truly works. Last but definitely not the least, I have the Miracle's Pro Bright Body Cream. Now, this is a targeted body cream, which means it's not like a typical body lotion. And the reason why I am mentioning this is because many of you guys commented about body pigmentation and like pigmentation on a specific part of your body. This one claims to do so, and I have seen a visible difference, especially on the folds of the skin. If you have a little bit of darkness there, it helps you a lot. You can use it pretty much anywhere you have darkness, especially on the folds of your skin, on your knees, on your elbows, especially on the back of your neck. If you talk about the pricing, yes, it is a little bit pricey compared to the quantity that you're getting, but it's one of the cream that truly works, and I would highly suggest you guys, if you are looking for any kind of targeted based cream, this one is my holy grail. Hey guys, so this was my holy grail skincare products kind of video. Do let me know your thoughts in the bottom box below. Like this video if you like such contents, share this video to any of your friends, and lastly, subscribe to this channel, hit on the bell notification, and I will see you in my next video. So bye bye and take care.